1. She is a talented dancer. 2. The lawyer will help you. 3. He is a famous singer. 4. My teacher is kind. 5. The worker is tired. 6. The speaker gave a speech. 7. She is a trusted advisor. 8. Please enter the room. 9. The cat is under the table. 10. We had dinner at 7 p.m. 11. I took a shower this morning. One. He is a famous actor. 2. She is the author of the book. 3. I have an appointment with the doctor. 4. She likes horror movies. 5. He has a good sense of humor. 6. She is a biology major. 7. He is my mentor. 8. There is a rumor going around. 9. She is my tutor. 10. He is a successful investor. 11. The professor gave a lecture. 12. She is my main competitor. 13. The operator answered the call. 14. My supervisor is very helpful. One. We should preserve our culture. 2. I am excited about the future. 3. She made a friendly gesture. 4. The professor gave a lecture. 5. We should protect nature. 6. She took a beautiful picture. 7. We bought new furniture. One. We need to measure the length. 2. Failure is a part of success. 3. It is a pleasure to meet you. 4. The pressure is too high. 5. They found a hidden treasure.